We are back with the Tiggy's toy review. What do we got today, Tiggy? What is that, buddy? Oh, you like the toy review? Little Frankiotomy. Alright, today I'm the camera guy. We picked this up at Trade Bakers in Lebanon for $3. And, you know, they put a sticker over the package where it was ripped. But these stickers are like super glue. We tried to start lifting in that one and it was just destroying the package. But this is a Warriors of Virtue figure from 96 or 97. He's Mudlap. I believe he was like a merchant money changer. It's been so long since I've seen the show. Here's the bio. Just pause it if you want to read it. But some of these figures are actually pretty cool. I think these guys were kind of like kangaroos or something. But if you're collecting vintage toys, this would be a cool line to collect on a budget. Alright, today you are not the camera kid. What are you going to do with that? Oh, he's cracking it open. Nice. Let's see what we got there. It's like an Oriental style rice paddy hat. Is that open? Oh, cool, man. It does. Yeah. Smell it, man. Has it got a weird 90s smell to it? Don't pop the button on it right now, man. I'll show you how to do it here soon. Pull it out and let's see what we got. Just push the back. I'm not sure. That's his proper leg. Look, one leg's longer than the other one, and the pant leg don't match. Does it show it that way on the back of the card? Yeah. Yeah, that's weird, man. Did you find that other money sack?
Shut up.
There was one that it fell out. And then there's one, yep, here they are. Nope, that's a kitty cat treat. What are you sleeping with kitty cat treats, man? There should be another money bag. It was loose in the package. He lost the money bag. Anyway, bring the figure over here and we'll check it out. Oh, he found it. Bring the stuff over, kiddo. Bring the accessories. Check it out, man. You've opened your first vintage toy.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Oh, Kit Kat.
What is that, Frankie? You guys got a birthday coming up, don't you? You're gonna be 1 year old. Hi, Tiggy. Hi, Tiggy. What you doing, bud? All right. Here, Bucks, you gonna put him together? Our camera kid ran away. Let's see. This is gonna be kind of rough one-handed. Oh, you want to take over? Yeah, you don't like being in the spotlight, do you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm kind of weird about talking on camera myself, but I'm getting better about it. What is that, Tiggy? Does that smell weird? Have you ever smelled anything from the 90s before, Tiggy? But yeah, he comes with a bag, some money bags, and a hat. I'll just stick his money bags in there, JJ. Look at him. I bet he's a booty snatcher. He steals people's booties. Maybe this bag fits better around the other arm. It's a cool figure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the way that the arms say, yep, there it is, man. All right, what's your thoughts?
Pretty neat.
All right, man. Display him on your shelf. Congratulations.
Yay.
All right. We will back soon with another Tiggy toy review.